Hello students. In our previous session, we had started the supplementary reading for the COP and the anthem. In that previous session, in the part 1, we have seen that one of the man is there whose name is Sophie. Sophie is a homeless and a jobless man, and he who is a very, we can say, lazy man, dull man. Sophie is a homeless and a jobless man, and he now the winter season is coming closer, and now he want a shelter to protect himself from the winter. So he wants to go the Blackwell's Island. The Blackwell's Island is the name of the prison, and every year he spend his winter season in that Blackwell's Island. Actually, Blackwell's Island is a prison and nobody wants to go there, but Sophie is such a person that he wants to go here, spend winter vacation in the jail, in the prison, because government will according to him, government will provide him free food and stay. So he is such a man that he wants to go, he wants to go the Blackwell's Island, and so he is trying many tricks, because he wants that policeman or the cop would arrest him and would send him in the Blackwell's Island. Actually, it is his dream, and to complete his dream, he is trying many tricks against the law, and he would think that the cop will arrest him and will send him in the prison. So let's see the second part. In that part, what happened with him. See, Sophie does his best to be on the wrong side of the law. Sophie आता वेगवेगळ्या ट्रिक्स ट्राय करणार आहे, and the tricks are against the law. Then he tries 3 tricks all in vain. Actually, now he is trying 3 tricks against the law, wrong side of the law, and all in vain. Vain means all is useless. The fear that no cop will ever catch him make him sick at his heart. आणि कोणीच पोलीस किंवा कोणीच कॉप त्याला पकडत नाहीत हे बघून तो अँशियस, रेस्टलेस व्हायला लागतो. So students, let's see the second part of this chapter, the cop and the anthem. Now see the first paragraph here on your screen. You can see there were many easy ways of doing this. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money to pay, and then a cop would be called. It would all the done very quietly. The cop would arrest him. He would be taken to a judge. The judge would do the rest. See the first trick now he is going to perform, and he is thinking in his mind about his first trick. And what is his first trick? That he decides that the first trick is very easy, and the trick is that to go and enjoy good dinner in one of the fine restaurant, in one of the fine hotel. And then after eating or after finishing the dinner, just only he has to say the owner that he has no money. Then that owner of the hotel, owner of the restaurant will call the police, and then that cop would arrest him and will send him the cop would arrest him and would send him to a judge. This is the first trick, and then judge will do all the rest. Then judge will fine him the punishment, that the judge will send him in the Blackwell's Island. This is the first trick that he is deciding in his mind. एखाद्या चांगल्या हॉटेलमध्ये जायचं, जेवण करायचं, छानपैकी जेवण करायचं, आणि पैसे मागितल्यानंतर सांगायचं माझ्याकडे पैसेच नाहीयेत. मग तो ऑनर, त्या हॉटेलचा मालक एखाद्या पोलिसाला बोलवेल आणि त्याला पोलिसाच्या स्वाधीन करून टाकेल. पोलीस त्याला जजकडे घेऊन जाईल, कोर्टात घेऊन जाईल, आणि त्याला तिथे शिक्षा दिली जाईल. कोणती शिक्षा? टू सेंड हिम टू द Blackwell's Island. This is the first plan of the Sophie. So let's see what happened with his plan. Sophie left his seat and walked slowly out of the Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. He went across this wide space and started north on Broadway. He stopped at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. See what happened now. Actually, we had seen in our previous session that our Sophie is spending his whole time, that is whole day and night, in the Madison Square named park. Now he has planned in his mind that he will enjoy the that he would enjoy the dinner in a fine restaurant. So he went. See, he went a great street. मग तो कुठे जातो? Great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue मिळतो. ह्या रोडवर स्ट्रीटवर जातो. अँड तिथं त्याला एक छानसं एक लार्ज ब्राईटली लाईटेड रेस्टॉरंट दिसतं. त्याला एक छानसं लाईटनं सुशोभित केलेलं असं मस्तपैकी रेस्टॉरंट दिसतं. दिस वॉज वेअर द बेस्ट फूड अँड द बेस्ट पीपल इन द बेस्ट क्लोथ्स अपियर्ड एव्हरी इव्हिनिंग. आणि मग त्याला आठवतं की हे हॉटेल आपल्या एरियातलं खूपच चांगलं आहे, छान आहे. आणि तो कोण असतं तर इथं काय असतं तर बेस्ट फूड फॉर द बेस्ट पीपल इन द बेस्ट क्लोथ्स अपियर. आणि तो म्हणतो प्रत्येक इव्हिनिंगला ह्या हॉटेलमध्ये खूपच गर्दी असते, इथं बेस्ट लोक येतात आणि बेस्ट फूड मिळतं. Sophie believed that above his legs he look all right. Now see, he's observing his own appearance. तो स्वतःला ऑब्झर्व करतोय. Sophie believed that above his legs he looked fine. He looked all right. His face was clean. His coat was good enough. He could get to a table. He believed that success would be his. The part of him that would be seen above the table would look all right. The waiter would bring him what he asked for. Then Sophie is thinking in his mind that he is looking good above the legs. म्हणजे पायाच्या वर त्याचा जो अपीअरन्स आहे तो चांगला दिसतो. तो म्हणतो मी कोट घातलेला आहे आणि माझा अपीअरन्स बऱ्यापैकी आहे. अबाव द लेग बिकॉज बिलो द लेग हिज we can say the pant and the shoes are torn म्हणजे फाटलेले आहेत, थोडेसे खराब झालेले आहेत. पण he thinks that above the leg my appearance is good and every hotel or every waiter can offer me a good food. See what happened then. See, you can see Sophie is standing in the picture. Sophie is standing there, one of the waiter is there, and that waiter is saying something to him. See, there is a fine restaurant, fine hotel is there. You can see the different dishes are there inside. So let's see what happened. He began thinking of what he would like to eat. आणि तो मनात विचार करायला लागतो की आता आपण काय खायचं आहे. In his mind he could see the whole dinner. The cost would not be too high. He did not want the restaurant people to feel my real anger. But the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter home. So see what happened. Our Sophie go there and started to thinking in his mind about the food and about the food. So he decided to go inside. But see, then second paragraph. But as Sophie put his foot inside the restaurant door, the head waiter saw his broken old shoes and the torn clothes that covered his legs. Strong and ready hands turned Sophie around and moved him quietly and quickly outside again. See what happened. Just our Sophie entering in the restaurant. One of the waiter saw him, and that waiter saw his torn shoes and his torn clothes that covered his legs. आणि त्या वेटरनं बघितलं की ह्याचे शूज जे बूट आहेत ते खराब आहेत, ओल्ड आहेत, फाटलेले आहेत, त्याची पॅन्ट फाटलेली आहे. अँड व्हॉट हॅपन that waiter moved him quietly and quickly outside again. आणि त्या वेटरनं त्याला शांतपणे काही न बोलता हळूच बाहेर काढलं. Sophie turned off Broadway. सोफीनं ब्रॉडवे सोडून दिला. It seemed that this most easy way to the island was not to be this. He must think of some other way of getting there. आणि त्याला वाटतं की it seemed that this most easy way, हा जरा सगळ्यात सोपाच मार्ग होता. That entering in the restaurant, enjoying the food, calling the police, this is a very easy way. So he left that restaurant and decides thinking about something. Last paragraph. At a corner of 6th Avenue was a shop. with a with a wide glass window, bright with electric lights. Sophie picked up a big stone and threw it through the glass. The people came running around the corner. A cop was the first among them. Sophie stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. See, the Sophie's first trick, first trick becomes in vain. त्याची पहिली ट्रिक जो रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये जाऊन जेवण करायची ती इट बिकम्स इन व्हेन, युजलेस, ती पहिली खराब होते. देन सेकंड ट्रिक ही इज थिंकिंग दॅट थिंकिंग so at a corner of a 6th Avenue is another shop with a wide glass window. त्याला एक छानसं शॉप दिसतं आणि त्याची जी विंडो आहे ती कशी आहे तर ग्लास, काच आहे सुंदर लावलेली. तिथं एक काच आहे, ब्राईट आहे आणि विथ इलेक्ट्रिक लाईट्स, आणि सुंदर काच त्याला दिसते. So now students, see, there is another plan in Sophie's mind. Let's see what he is doing. And he saw the beautiful glass with electric lights and bright electric lights. He saw such a glass, one of the shop. Sophie pick up a big stone. Sophie ने एक मोठा दगड उचलला and threw it through the glass, आणि त्या काचेवर फेकून मारला. People came running around the corner. A cop was the first among them, and when Sophie threw that stone on the glass, what happened to the next? That glass must be broken with such a clattering sound. And what happened? The people and the cop very hastily, very hurriedly running there, and the cop was among them. But Sophie stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. आणि सोफी तिथे शांतपणे उभा राहिला आणि काय करतोय तर फक्त स्माइल येतो. Here in this screen you can see that Sophie is standing with a smile. Cop is asking something to him. People are at the back of him, and you can see at the back of the Sophie there is a glass broken. Then policeman, that cop running there hastily and asked the Sophie. Sophie is standing still. Sophie तिथे उभा राहिलाय with a smiley face. Where is the man that did that? Asked the cop. Cop म्हणते कुठे आहे तो माणूस ज्यानं काचेवर दगड मारला, ग्लासवर. Where is that person who threw the stone on the glass? Then don't you think that I might have done it? Said Sophie. सोफी म्हणतोय की तुम्हाला असं वाटत नाही का की तो दगड मी मारला असावा? He was friendly and happy. What he wanted was coming towards him. तो खूपच आनंदाने आणि फ्रेंडली त्या कॉपला म्हणत होता की that cop is asking to the Sophie, where is that man who threw the stone on the glass? Very angrily he is asking, and very happily and with a very smiley face, that Sophie said that Sophie त्याला असं म्हणतोय, तुम्हाला असं वाटत नाही का, don't you think that I might have done it? तुम्हाला असं वाटत नाही का तो दगड मीच मारला असावा? But the cop's mind would not consider Sophie. पण त्या कॉपला त्याला पकडायचं नव्हतं. आता बघा का, men who break windows do not stop there to talk to cops. They run away as fast as they can. The cop saw a man further along the street running. He ran after him, and Sophie, sick at heart, walked slowly away. He had failed 2 times. See, and that police, when the Sophie said that it might be I am who broke the glass, but the policeman said that how is this possible, that one who broke the glass still standing there for waiting the cop? Is that possible? तो म्हणतोय की असं असू शकतं का की तर काचेवर दगड मारून एक चूक करून गुन्हा करून तो माणूस तिथंच उभा राहील पोलिसांची वाट बघत? इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो द पोलिसमन्स माइंड इज नॉट रेडी टू कन्सिडर सोफी, म्हणून तो सोफीला पकडत नाही. And at that time Sophie feels very bad, sick at the heart, walks slowly away. He had failed 2 times. This is the second trick of the Sophie, but this trick is again failed. First trick is to going in the restaurant, find restaurant and taking a dinner. That was also failed. Then second was he broke the glass. That was also failed. Then let's see, across the street, next paragraph. Across the street was another restaurant. It was not so fine as the one on Broadway. The people who went there were not so rich. Its food was not so good. Into this Sophie took his old shoes and his torn clothes, and no one stopped him. See, now Sophie is trying third trick. He is again found another restaurant, but he's not he found another restaurant, but it is not the best, just like previous one. त्याला दुसरं एक रेस्टॉरंट दिसलं, पण ते पहिल्या रेस्टॉरंट सारखं रिच नव्हतं किंवा रिच फूड किंवा रिच पीपल तिथे नव्हते. but there were the common people like the Sophie. पण त्या रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये कशी लोक होती, कॉमन लोक होते, कॉमन पीपल, कॉमन फूड. So here Sophie decides in his mind that this restaurant or the waiter of these restaurants we would not stop me to go inside. So see, and no one stopped him. See, no one stopped him. He sat down at a table and was soon eating a big dinner. तो रेस्टॉरंट मध्ये गेला, एका टेबलवर बसला and eating a big dinner, आणि त्याने पोट भरून जेवण केलं. Now see, when he had finished, he said that he had no money. See, after eating a lot of food, after enjoying a lot of dinner, he declares that he had no money. त्याच्याकडे पैसेच नाहीये. तो सांगतो सगळ्यांना. Get busy and call a cop, said Sophie, and don't keep a gentleman waiting. आणि सोफी रागान काय म्हणते बघा, get busy and call a cop, जावा आणि पोलिसांना बोलवून आला, because I have no money to pay you. So go and call the police and don't keep me a waiting. आणि मला वाट बघायला लावू नका. Go and call the police. See what happened? No cop for you, said the waiter. वेटर म्हणते तुझ्यासाठी पोलीस. He called another waiter. आणि त्यानं दुसऱ्या वेटरला बोलवलं. आता काय होतं बघा. The two waiters threw Sophie upon his left ear on the hard street outside. See what happened? Here Sophie is eager to caught by the police. So पोलिसांच्याकडून पकडला जायला खूप उत्साही आहे. पण काय होतं की when he said to the waiter that go and call the cop, at that time that waiter, instead of calling the cop, he called the another waiter, and both waiters threw him outside the hotel on the road. आणि त्यांनी त्याला दोन वेटरनी मिळून त्याला हॉटेलच्या बाहेर फेकून दिलं. He stood up slowly. तो शांतपणे उभा राहिला. One part at a time and beat the dust from his clothes. तो उभा राहिला and he started to clean his clothes. He started to clean the dust from his clothes. Prison seemed only a happy dream. The island seemed very far away. आणि त्याला असं वाटतं की प्रिझन मध्ये जाणं, ब्लॅक वेस्ट आयलंड मध्ये जाणं म्हणजे माझं एक स्वप्न आहे, आणि ते स्वप्नच बहुतेक होऊन राहणार. A cop who was standing near laugh and walk away. आणि तिथंच एक कॉप उभा होता. जेव्हा त्याला वेटरनी बाहेर फेकून दिलं तेव्हा ते एक कॉप तिथं होता आणि तो कॉप त्याच्याकडेच बघत उभा होता. A cop who was standing near laugh and walk away. Sophie started moving again. When he stopped, he was near several theaters. बघा, आणि तो तिथं उभा राहतो हॉटेलच्या बाहेर. एक कॉप त्याच्याकडे बघून हसतो आणि निघून जातो. आणि then what happened? He started moving again, walk down again. त्याने चालायला चालू केलं. When he stopped, he was near several theaters. So in his part of the city, streets are brighter and hearts are more joyful than in other parts. Women and men in rich warm coats moved happily in the winter air. आता तो चालत असतानाच एका अशा ठिकाणी तो शहरातल्या अशा एका पार्टमध्ये येतो की जिथं फक्त थिएटर्स असतात. मग ती भले ही पिक्चरची असतील, नाटकांची असतील, गाण्यांची असतील, आणि अशा थिएटर तो एका भागात तो. आणि हा भाग म्हणजे सिटीतला कसा होता तर ब्राईटर अँड हार्ट्स मोर जॉयफुल दॅन इन द अदर. तो खूपच फ्रेश आणि असा उत्साही असा तो सिटी एरिया होता. वुमेन अँड मेन इन रिच वॉर्म कोट्स मूव्ड हॅपीली इन द विंटर एअर. आणि तिथं मेन अँड वुमेन वेअर इन मूव्हिंग हिअर अँड देअर विथ अ रिच वॉर्म क्लोथ्स. अ सडन फिअर कॉट सोफी. नो कॉप वॉज गोइंग टू अरेस्ट हिम. त्याच्या मनामध्ये एक भीती आली की नो कॉप वॉज गोइंग टू अरेस्ट हिम, आणि त्याला कुणीच तिथं पकडायला येत नाही. इन द पिक्चर यू कॅन सी दॅट द टू वेटर्स वेअर थ्रोईंग Sophie outside the restaurant. See students, in this way, in this part we have seen that Sophie tried three tricks, two tricks in restaurant and one trick that is breaking a glass, but no one arrested him. In this way his three tricks tricks failed, and now there is a fear in the mind of the Sophie that his dream will be remain dream to go in the Black Whales Island. So students, read this part very carefully. Remaining part we will see to the next session. Okay.